6 Surprising olive oil benefits for males. Olive oil is recognized as one of the healthiest oils due to its monounsaturated fats, which aid in reducing LDL cholesterol. It offers numerous health benefits for both men and women, although its specific advantages for men are less commonly discussed. Olive oil contains antioxidants and monounsaturated fats that combat LDL cholesterol and inflammation. In addition to these benefits, olive oil holds promise for enhancing male health. It is believed to support improved circulation and testosterone production among other advantages specific to men. Let's delve into the potential benefits of olive oil for men. Have you ever incorporated olive oil into your routine for any purpose? 6 Proven olive oil benefits for males. Here are some proven olive oil benefits for men that are also supported by many clinical researches. 1. Male fertility. One of the most frequently searched topics on the internet is male fertility. While often overlooked, male fertility issues are crucial, and today we will explore how olive oil benefits male fertility. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is rich in vitamin E, which has been linked to improved sperm motility and count. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble vitamin, protects sperm cell membranes from oxidative damage in infertile men. Additionally, studies indicate that the monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil can enhance sperm morphology and motility by reducing oxidative stress. Including olive oil in your diet can also offer other health benefits such as reduced inflammation and improved cardiovascular health. 2. Glycemic control. The glycemic index measures how much a specific food raises your blood sugar levels, making it crucial for individuals with diabetes to maintain healthy glycemic control. Proper glycemic management can prevent complications such as kidney disease, eye problems, and cardiovascular diseases. While many lifestyle habits support normal blood sugar levels, recent studies have shown that incorporating olive oil into your diet can be particularly beneficial for men. Olive oil is rich in polyphenol, which are antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. A 2017 study found that extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, may reduce the risk of diabetes and improve glycemic control in diabetic individuals. It also showed that EVOO in meals can lower the postprandial, after-meal, rise in glucose. Furthermore, several studies have demonstrated that olive oil improves cardiovascular health, which is especially important for men with diabetes, as they are twice as likely to develop heart conditions. By replacing saturated fats with the healthy monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, men with diabetes can enhance their glycemic control and overall heart health. 3. Weight loss following prostate cancer. Weight loss is recommended for managing prostate cancer, and even if you've already battled the disease, maintaining a healthy weight remains crucial. Olive oil can play a significant role in weight reduction for men. A 2017 study showed promising results with weight loss following either a plant-based diet or the Prostate Cancer Foundation diet, which included 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, per day for 8 weeks. Participants adhering to plant-based diets also exhibited improvements in glycemic control and insulin sensitivity. Long-term, a plant-based diet with EVOO was found to be more sustainable. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine can aid in weight loss and support prostate cancer management. 4. Mood and mental health. You might be wondering how mood and mental health are connected and how olive oil fits into the picture. The answer lies in research. A 2013 study in Australia identified a cause-and-effect relationship between diet and mental health. The statistics on men's mental health issues are alarming, with 1 in 8 men experiencing depression and 1 in 5 facing anxiety at some point in their lives, according to Beyond Blue. Olive oil can help improve men's mental health. A diet rich in olive oil is associated with a reduction in anxiety and depression symptoms in men, thanks to its high levels of antioxidants and healthy fats. To support physical and mental health, it is better to use olive oil in the diet by adding it to salads or cooking. Therefore, it is reasonable to switch to olive oil to boost brain health and mood. 5. Reduce heart disease risk. Heart diseases are common in both men and women, with various risk factors contributing to their development. Research suggests that incorporating olive oil into your diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease. For men, olive oil is particularly beneficial in reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and lowering blood pressure. A diet rich in monounsaturated fats, like those found in olive oil, can promote a balanced lipid profile. Olive oil helps reduce heart disease risk by lowering LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing HDL cholesterol levels. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that people who switched to olive oil had a lower risk of developing heart disease. Therefore, if you want a flavorful way to reduce your risk of heart disease, consider adding olive oil to your diet. 6. Combats pain and inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to several diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, cancer, metabolic syndrome, and arthritis. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that help combat inflammation and reduce pain. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, has been shown to decrease inflammation, with oleocanthal, an antioxidant, having effects similar to ibuprofen. Additionally, research indicates that oleic acid, a fatty acid in olive oil, can lower levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP. A 2010 study also found that antioxidants in olive oil can inhibit certain proteins and genes that cause inflammation. Consequently, olive oil is beneficial for reducing pain and symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Final words. Olive oil is a common ingredient in cooking and salad dressings, offering numerous health benefits for both women and men. It is not only advantageous for men's health but also provides various benefits for women's health, skin, and hair. The benefits of olive oil for men are significant. For those striving to improve their health, incorporating olive oil into their diet is a wise choice. By including extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, in your diet, your heart, brain, prostate, and other body parts will thank you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.